Certainly. South Africa is a land of breathtaking beauty, rich culture, and vibrant traditions. Let's delve into the captivating world of Zulu dance and rhythm, which forms an integral part of this nation's cultural heritage. South Africa, often referred to as the Rainbow Nation, boasts diverse landscapes that leave visitors in awe. From the iconic Table Mountain in Cape Town to the golden savannas of Kruger National Park, the country offers a tapestry of natural wonders. The Drakensberg Mountains stand tall, their peaks touching the sky, while the wild coast reveals rugged cliffs and pristine beaches. The Garden Route enchants with lush forests and dramatic coastlines, and the Karoo mesmerizes with its vast semi-desert expanses. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification icon, like, comment and share for more beautiful videos.